to go down here. Destination is a half mile on the left hand side. I kept looking for the right, I don't know why. Oh, hey look, I see the sign for Knoll. Knoll, we're all there. This is where we're going. 87, 83. That's it. Let's be the one. Now my GPS is pissed. They got Landstar trailers there. This is good. No, straight ahead. That's on down. Okay, so this building is empty. Oh, they got the snow plows ready. To the channel, guys. Thank y'all for joining in. We are going over here to Knoll. If you haven't figured that out already, we're going to pick up some office furniture. We got several stops on this route. I think it's 5 stops total. Yeah, okay, so I need to check in up here. Down there in Georgia and finals in Alabama. So let's I'm gonna check in here with the little machine thingy here. See what they say. Oh. We are just gonna go up to the office. Are open. They've been open, so I'm assuming I can just go in. That's the shipping office right there. We're gonna find out either way. I would assume it is. So I got the bills. We gotta go to spot 318, drop my trailer. My trailer will be right next to it at 319. So I'm only assuming that it's around back because the numbers stop there at the 273. So huge facility. I guess not huge, but it's a good sized facility. And there was a map and directions to get here, and it says do not follow your GPS. Well, I read all that earlier today, totally forgot about it, followed my GPS right here. I don't know what the problem was, but that's all good. It worked out just fine. Holy crap, that is a tight spot. 318 isn't bad, but 319 is terrible. We got our new trailer. We're hooked up. We got 6,900 pounds in the back. Office furniture, like I said. First stop is going to be in Augusta, and then Canton, and then back. It's weird. It's really screwed up because I passed my second stop or my third stop to get to my second stop, and then come back to my third, then go back by my second stop. It's stupid the way they freaking loaded this. But I guess that's why it's paying the way it's paying. So let's get on the road. I don't have to check in with anybody. I got my trailer. Well, we made it to the Beacon, finally. She needed a wash bad. Columbia, South Carolina, there's no line. It was $63.50 for the truck, undercarriage, Rain-X, engine, all that stuff. So it wasn't terribly too overpriced, but it's still a Beacon. But it's not too bad. I'm kind of letting it dry. I'm doing a 30, and they got me out of there in 14 minutes, so I'm let it dry, or at least let the tires dry off a little bit. I'm gonna put some tire shine on them. I might do it tomorrow while I'm waiting to get unloaded or whatever, just so I know that they're actually dry. Because when you put it on wet, that crap just falls off. It doesn't seem to work very well. But I'd say they did a decent job here, huh? Things all shiny again. I need to get Almost Chrome on Instagram. I got to get him to polish this. He's not too far from the house. He's probably 15-20 minutes from me. But man, these stacks, or these get these wheels cleaned up, these steps, these tanks, and then these back drives. These things would look good, all polished out. They need to be, everything needs to be polished. Get that deck plate polished out. Be nice, but we'll get it done. He's that man is busy. If y'all haven't seen him on Instagram, at Almost Chrome, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll put his name up somewhere, but that man does some killer work. His team, I don't know if he's got a team of guys or what, but they do some darn good work. So I definitely am excited about getting over there. Just have to make time. Everybody's got to have the time to do it. That man stays so stacked up on polish and stuff. But go check him out on Instagram if you guys do. And yeah, we good, man. We good. I appreciate it. Yeah, coming out checking on it. Nice. Y'all, I gotta get these new lights, or these lights replaced. These freaking Amazon lights are a joke. I gotta buy new lights. You can see several of them are out. I got a bunch of them in the truck. I mean, I probably have 24 more. The problem is they're junk. Like I keep having the same problem with them. So I don't want to just replace them and have the same problem. Does that make sense? Yeah. I think we're gonna get on the road. We'll finish this 30. And the tires aren't gonna be dry enough for me to put tire shine on it. So we'll finish my 30, and then I'm gonna get on the road, guys. Get on down to Augusta, Georgia. That's our first stop. We're going to the VA hospital. So I'm gonna wrap all this up and we'll get on the road. I don't think we're gonna stay there tonight, but we'll get it figured out. Y'all see what happens, promise. Well, I actually wound up parking across the street from the Beacon at the Flying J here in Columbia, South Carolina. Had some dude knock on my door, asked me for some cigarettes or some money. Said he got jumped by some guys and they stole all of his weed. So, he's like, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's like, okay, I don't care. Oh, jeez. But y'all have asked about how I cook and all that kind of stuff in the truck, so I figured I'd kind of show you real quick. I'm not gonna go into too much depth, but just kind of give you an idea of what I do. So let me turn this camera around. All right, so obviously got the sink. I got 2 3-gallon jugs under there with a water pump I bought from Amazon for like 24 bucks. This sink was a sink and faucet kit. I'd like a lower faucet, but it works. I can do my dishes, do what I need to do. I only have one side hooked up, and I have to turn on the water, like activate the pump. Otherwise the pump stays on. I don't want to risk having an issue with that. But so I don't have hot water there, but cold water, I mean, it works. And I got 2 of these butane stoves that I use, and I just cook what I need to. Right now I'm making some rice and some fresh salmon from Publix. So nothing crazy. Got the refrigerator down there, trash can vacuum, the butane stoves go down here, the stuff for the AC is up under here. Yeah, it's all pretty basic stuff, nothing crazy. But I do have the microwave as well. I use that, and the nice thing with the generator is I can plug my microwave. I can plug the microwave up to the generator because I got to plug in here all the electricals underneath the counter as well. So silverware and just different things are up there, plates and bowls. I got some food stored up here, just different things, Publix bags, Walmart bags, whatever. Clothes are up here, cleaning supplies, all that stuff right there. And then obviously the couches down here. So I'm gonna finish cooking, and once I get done with that, I'm gonna eat, obviously, and then get ready for bed, get my, brush my teeth, all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at some point. We're about 82 miles away. We are going to the VA hospital. Looks like they got loading docks, so hopefully it won't be too bad, but I don't know if that's where I'm actually delivering to. So it is office furniture, but I mean, we'll see. So I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. They don't make this shit easy, that's for damn sure. I'd say they don't have truckers in mind whenever they make places like this, but hell, it's Veterans Hospital and they don't have veterans in mind, so. Stupid ass van back here. I gotta wiggle my ass in between this damn curb, in between the van. This is bullshit, y'all. This is bullshit. Oh good, he's gonna move the van. Jeez. Maybe. Hopefully that's what he's doing. This lady's standing back here with her arms crossed in the dock like she's all pissed off. I'm just not trying to tear my crap up going into these friggin' places. I'm gonna open the doors. Oh my goodness, guys. We are empty. Not empty, but we are unloaded from this spot. And now the trick apparently is getting out of here. Luckily, one of the guys that works here, he took me down here to the right on the golf cart. because he wanted me to come in the way I came in, or go out the way I came in, and I was like, that ain't happening, brother. That's not happening at all. So he said, you can go down here. Get all this, like, it's just a whole bunch of this kind of mess here. It's terrible. Definitely gonna be some curbing of the tandems back there. Oh my goodness. Had a wiring issue. Got up this morning and my parking lights didn't work. My visor lights, my bumper lights, and my mirror lights worked. But my cab lights, all of them down the side of the cab didn't work, and it turned off the lights on the back of the, like the trailer, like the top clearance lights on the trailer. Tail lights and everything worked, just the clearance lights, those did not work. So this is gonna be the fun part right here, guys. I gotta make this left-hand turn. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. Is it bad that it's not the curbs that are bothering me? It's the low trees that got me nervous. Oh, there's a sprinkler head right there that I gotta avoid. Definitely gonna hit the curb. On the curb, on the curb, on the curb. Missed the sprinkler. And we're back on the road. Whew. Y'all, this is crazy. These low trees, man. Jeez. Oh, I can hear them scraping. That's nerve-wracking as all get out. Ain't nothing worse than some low branches. Well, I guess there's a lot worse than low branches, but that sucks. Low branches suck. Everybody was real nice though. I got her unloaded pretty quick, and I was able to track down my light issue to one of my lights on the sleeper over here. All of my lights got plugged, so I unplugged each section and tried to figure out what all happened from there. And then from that point, I would not have been able to turn in on this road. And this is the road they wanted me to come in on. You better stay back there, box truck. Yeah, you're not paying attention, are you? Look at you. Look at you not paying attention. Yep. Back it on up. Thank you. Should have been paying attention. You wouldn't have to do that. That's all good. Anywho, we're back on the road. Finally. But yeah, I unplugged different sections of the lights. Eliminated it to the section over here. So I plugged that all up, and then I unplugged each individual light, and I plugged up all the lights on this side, and unplugged one at a time to let the breaker reset, so that I knew which one was the problem when it would not reset. So we all right, we're out of the low stuff here. So yeah, this video might turn into a two-part video. This is gonna be a pretty extensive video, so I think that's what we'll do. So this delivery, the next video will be 4 stops. We're gonna have Canton, Norcross, Huntsville, and Birmingham. I believe that's what we'll do, because it just makes sense. There's a lot going on in this video. and I don't want to have a 45-minute video. So it's what do y'all say we wrap this one up, huh? Y'all be good. Stay safe out there. Enjoy your family time. Let your family know you love them, guys. Please do that. Please, please, please do that. Don't have too much fun. Actually, have as much damn fun as you can, right? Stand up for what you believe in, guys. Y'all be good. Stay safe. Love you guys. Thank you for the support and the love you've shown the family and the channel. And I'll see y'all on the next one after this video. Like my next stop. I'll see you guys. So be good, guys.